In this video, we'll learn the neutral series, which is 4 movements used to prepare the body for a Pilates workout by focusing on alignment, breath, and core strength. I'm Pilates instructor Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. We'll begin laying in neutral spine. I have a detailed video of that I'll link at the end of this one. Let's begin with our Pilates breathing. So inhale to prepare, exhale, tighten the core, draw the belly in like someone's stepping down on your belly, and lift the right leg into tabletop. And inhale it back down. And exhale, left leg into tabletop. Inhale it back down. Let's continue with that. We're going to go 5 on each side. I want to maintain this 90-degree structure in the knee, keeping the spine and the hips completely stable. And we're building that mind-muscle connection, also testing the strength of the core muscles as we progress through this series. And we get harder with the movements. Here's the last 2. We'll be testing the core strength, and if I can't perform the movement, I'm not ready to progress with the workout. Now we're going to bring the right leg into tabletop, left leg up to tabletop to meet it, then right down and left down. This is movement 2. Let's go again, beginning with the left, right up, left down, right down. So we're switching starting legs each time. So right down, left up, right up, left down, right down. Great. Let's go through a few more. Keeping neutral in the spine, not letting the back arch as the legs come up. Great work. And continuing to breathe. Maintaining the Pilates breathing so the core is tight, not allowing the chest or belly to rise with the inhale. Instead, I'm inhaling and expanding the side ribs. And let's go one more. Good, and rest for a moment. Great job. Now we're going to move on to 2.5. Let's bring both legs into tabletop. And exhale, extend the right leg 45 degrees. Inhale back. Exhale, extend the left leg. Inhale back. Continue. We're going 5 on each side. Keeping the core tight. The challenge here is to not arch the lower back as the leg extends. So if I'm unable to extend the leg without arching my back, then I'm not strong enough in the core to continue with the challenging Pilates workout. And we're maintaining the breath. Here's the last set. Great job. We're going to go right into movement 3. Extend, lower to the ground, back up and in. Left leg extend, ground, back up and in. Good. 5 on each side. Maintaining the breath. Don't allow the hips to rock or the spine to arch. Good job. 4 more. Heads resting gently on the mat. A little bit of energy in the shoulders, keeping them down and gently pressing against the mat. Here's the last one. Good, and let's grab the back of the legs and kick up. So that's levels 1 through 3 of the neutral series. We began the workout in neutral spine. Here's a detailed breakdown of finding neutral spine. All of my equipment is linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them and make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra charge to you. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you at the next workout.